You don't need to be a remodeling contractor or professional woodworker to appreciate the many benefits of power tools. A trusty cordless drill will help you speed through a range of projects, from hanging shelves to assembling furniture. A high-powered pressure washer can blast away stains from decks and driveways in a fraction of the time it takes to tackle them manually with a scrub brush and elbow grease. And a capable circular saw is the only way to cut through large pieces of lumber, short of sweating for hours over a handsaw. No wonder home centers and hardware stores have aisle after aisle of power tools. That raises the question, which brand is right for you? Having tested hundreds of tools over the last decade from all the major players, our experts at the Good Housekeeping Institute's Home Improvement Outdoor Lab are here to steer you in the right direction. For good measure, we also gathered insights from Roy Berenson, Senior Home Editor at Popular Mechanics, our partner publication, as well as other experts in the field. Number 1. Ryobi. If you shop at Home Depot, you've probably seen this manufacturer's products. Ryobi is one of 2 Home Depot exclusive power tool brands, along with Rigid. Our experts like the incredible breadth of Ryobi's battery platform, which allows the same battery pack to be used across multiple tools. The brand's 18V1 line has more than 280 products in all, and the 40V line has close to 100. This is one of my top choices for dyers, says home improvement and lifestyle expert Catherine Emery of Be the Best Home. It's nice knowing that the same battery that powers my cordless drill will also work for my leaf blower or the inflator for my kids' bike tires. LabPick. Although many Ryobi tools make our lists of winners, our experts were particularly impressed with the 1HP 18V brushless drill and impact driver kit, enough to make it a winner in Good Housekeeping's 2023 Home Renovation Awards. The drill has plenty of power for drilling into drywall and dimensional lumber, and the driver's extra speed and torque is great for removing large lag bolts, noted one tester. Number 2. Craftsman. Craftsman, available at Lowe's, has become one of the brand's prominent retailers since its acquisition by Stanley Black & Decker in 2017, marking a significant improvement in the legacy tool brand's offerings. Notably, Craftsman continues to provide competitive prices, drawing attention even from professional contractors who sometimes opt for Craftsman tools due to their performance, as observed in Popular Mechanics tests. While Craftsman primarily focuses on battery-powered tools, it also offers a range of corded electric options, particularly heavy-duty products like chop saws and grinders. One standout recommendation is Craftsman's V24 tool kit, recognized in our Home Renovation Awards, which includes a cordless drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, and flashlight, accompanied by 2 20-volt batteries and a charger. The versatile drill functions effectively as a power screwdriver, while the reciprocating saw excels at handling cuts through construction lumber, catering to the needs of DIY enthusiasts. Number 3. Black & Decker. Another legend of the power tool industry, Black & Decker has been a trusted brand among our experts for decades. Although its small appliances, everything from toasters to coffee pots, have been in and out of the labs the most, we've also been impressed by the brand's power tools, especially given the affordable price tags. Approachable and easy to use, right out of the box, Emery says, an estimation we've agreed with more often than not. That said, while brands like Craftsman and Ryobi can hold their own on a construction site, or at least with hardcore dyers, Black & Decker tools are best reserved for light-duty projects, like drilling into drywall or refinishing furniture. LabPick. Our experts are most familiar with Black & Decker's cooking and cleaning appliances, like the Spillbuster cordless spill spot cleaner, one of our top-rated portable carpet cleaners. The brand's tools and accessories have earned praise over the years at Popular Mechanics, as you'll see in this fun article, Why the Black & Decker Workmate Belongs in the Tools Hall of Fame. Number 4. Skill. Skill is the DI spin-off of Skillsaw, a popular brand aimed squarely at professionals. Even though Skill power tools are competitively priced, they retain many features of their beefier brandmates. That's especially true when it comes to handheld circular saws, which Skillsaw invented in the 1920s. For a long time, the name Skillsaw was synonymous with the tool, like Kleenex and tissue or Q-tip and cotton swab to drive home those points. Berenson notes that Skill's $15 amp circular saw was one of the best in our tests. If you're only going to pull it out a few times a year and you plan to hire out heavier duty projects, there's no need to spend 4 or 5 times as much on an industrial grade model. LabPick. In addition to that $50 circular saw Berenson mentioned, our experts like the brand's PWR Core 40 leaf blower, calling it the best value on the market, and that's out of our entire list of best cordless leaf blowers. For the price, this leaf blower is solidly built, including its brushless motor, a design that our tests have found to be durable over time, says Rachel Rothman, Chief Technologist and Executive Technical Director at the Good Housekeeping Institute. Number 5. Rigid. Like Ryobi, Rigid is a Home Depot exclusive aimed at dyers, though its impressive performance across many categories makes it a good fit for prosumers or homeowners who like to tackle big projects such as, say, building a deck or replacing their asphalt shingle roof. There's going to be some gray area with all tool brands, Berenson explains. With Rigid, the gray area is between prosumers and professionals, whereas a brand like Black Decker leans more clearly toward dyers. As with products from Ryobi, Rigid's tools are backed by Home Depot, which offers a Rigid lifetime service agreement on registered products, meaning power tools that break due to normal wear and tear will be replaced. Lab pick in our latest roundup of best shop vacs, we gave props to Rigid for making the best heavy-duty option on the market its 12-gallon model. The 5-horsepower motor is capable of moving air at a rate of 140 cubic feet per minute, twice the flow rate of other shop vacs. Plus, the comfort grip handle and 360-degree casters allow for easy maneuverability. Number 6. Hart. Many major retailers feature their own exclusive power tool brands, and for Walmart, it's Hart, introduced to their lineup in 2019. While Walmart may not be the typical destination for power tools, according to Berenson, they've discovered satisfactory value and performance in the models they've tested. Hart exclusively offers battery-powered tools, and although its product range is somewhat more limited compared to brands targeting professionals and prosumers, it still provides viable options for those seeking cordless drills for light-duty projects or sander kits for hobby endeavors. One standout among Hart's offerings, favored by Berenson and the popular mechanics testing team, is the 40-volt cordless chainsaw, which impressively cut through 46 hardwood discs. Berenson notes that this performance is comparable to the DeWalt DCCS 670, despite the latter being twice as fast and more robustly built. Number 7. Works. A relative newcomer to the category, Works has been around since 2007. It's best known for its lawn and garden equipment, but it also offers a robust line of power tools, many of which have performed well in our tests. We like that Works is big box store agnostic, meaning you'll find it at Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, and other major retailers, and we highly rate the ergonomics of many of its tools. Works is a good fit for people who might succumb to arm fatigue when handling heavy-duty equipment, Rachel notes. From paint sprayers to reciprocating saws, Works tools push the DI limits without being too intimidating. Lab pick. Speaking of ergonomics, Works' Nitro 20V Worksaw, a top pick in our best circular saws roundup, is a comfortable fit that provides excellent maneuverability across a range of lightweight cutting tasks. Between its compact design and 20-volt motor, this Works offers a great balance of convenience and power, especially for first-time circular saw users, Rachel says. Number 8. Milwaukee. You'll spot Milwaukee power tools on construction sites across the nation, particularly favored by metalworking trades such as plumbers and electricians due to their prowess in boring holes and cutting through metal, as noted by Berenson. Renowned for innovation, Milwaukee introduced the reciprocating saw, known as the Sawzall, in 1951, and today the brand offers a comprehensive range of premium-priced power tools, encompassing both battery-powered and corded electric options capable of tackling the most challenging tasks. Milwaukee frequently dominates popular mechanics rankings of top-rated tools, exemplified by their M18 Fuel 1 2-inch impact wrench, acclaimed as the best overall in the category of cordless impact wrenches. Testers highlighted its effectiveness in handling significant tasks like heavy equipment repair and industrial maintenance, demonstrating its capability with sizable tough nuts and bolts. Number 9. DeWalt. Here's another brand that's popular with pros, especially carpenters and remodeling contractors, who stand by the performance and reliability of DeWalt's drills and cutting tools. The gray area with DeWalt is between pros and prosumers, Berenson says. A lot of homeowners who want the best and have the money to spend gravitate toward DeWalt, and why not? Given the durability and reliability that our tests have consistently seen with the brand over the years, the next DeWalt drill or circular saw or, heck, impact wrench with hog ring anvil kit could well be your last. Though DeWalt still has a robust offering of corded electric power tools, it continues to expand its battery platform, including its FlexVolt line, which lets you toggle between 20 volts for lighter duty tasks and 60 volts for maximum power. Lab pick in the competitive 20-volt cordless drill category, Our experts tap DeWalt's 20 VMAX drill as the best overall cordless drill on the strength of the tool's comfortable grip, lightweight design, and compact size. Number 10. Makita. Makita is also popular with pros across many trades, and our engineers know it as a trusted power tool brand with a time-tested reputation. Headquartered in California, Makita is especially common on West Coast job sites, but you'll see the brand nationwide. In fact, it's a favorite with the maintenance crew at the Good Housekeeping Institute in New York City, whom we often call on to fabricate platforms and other staging equipment for various product tests. Though Makita is clearly geared toward professionals, its prices are often a bit lower than other pro-grade brands, making it a good option for the prosumer set. Lab pick. Check out Makita's 36VLXT 714-inch circular saw, deemed the best heavy-duty model in our latest roundup of best circular saws. It offers a superb combination of power and control, although at 12.4 pounds, it's a lot of tool to push, pull, and carry. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.